Mic check, mic check. Good morning, good morning. Voice is still there. Let me switch this over. You guys ready for some PPI? 10 seconds, 9 seconds, 8, 5. Markets are already reacting before numbers coming out. 3, 2, 1. Numbers are out. Here we go. Okay. What do you want to do? Numbers are out. Numbers are out. Here we go. What does it want to do? Scam dump first or scam pump first? We have a whole hour left. See, PPI was higher than forecasted.
1 hour later.
10 seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and markets are open. Look at the gap. You see it? That's your gap. That's your gap. It was up there. Futures opens right here. So let's see if it fills. Let's see if it fills. Let's see if that's enough to take us to Thang land, you know? Oh, God, the white background. The notional amount of volume for 0-day options is about $1 trillion motherfucking dollars. And if they never get in the money, could trigger a 10% drop in price. So, you know, when we talk about like retail order flow being at an all-time high, that might be where some of that money is, Mike. But yeah, this is gonna be interesting because we're kind of reaching like it's gonna, if this goes over maybe like 1.2 trill, 1.1 trill, you're talking about like housing crisis type of volatility levels getting broken on theoretical models that Wall Street's based on, you know? Have you guys ever, you know, what's that YouTube channel? It's called like movie recap or something, you know? So like if we were to do like a movie recap on what's been happening since December, we were longing here. We were anticipating a nice little pumperoni, right? We were longing all this, long. We juiced up. And as we started approaching these levels, right? If you remember, I got in, I started shorting on here. I started shorting on this pump, right? And so as I'm getting ready to short this bitch on the first 4-hour bearish div buildup, which was this guy right here. So my plan was, okay, I'm going to start shorting these. I'm going to short all of these with the understanding that at some point it's going to break out, right? Just like all the other ones. And I hate keep doing this, but every bearish, breakout, trap, dump, right? And I can do this for every single one. We can go back. Bear div, dump. Bear div, dump. So, I mean, 4 hours. So starting in December, we started planning. We were longing this bullshit, right? So I'm trying to take this short. That was the plan. As I'm getting filled, it is fucking straight up Kool-Aiding all the POCs. If you guys remember, right? Remember I was getting filled. All those POCs. So I'm thinking to myself, what the fuck? You know, we're straight up Kool-Aiding this bitch. Kool-Aid GIF. Oh, yeah. Just straight up Kool-Aiding my ass. You know? And what you know what saved my ass? That was the box. We said, oh, fuck. If it goes any higher, I'm fucked. Or I didn't say I'm fucked, but I said I'm going to start to get worried. So, okay, so I'm entering way too early. All the POCs are getting smashed. And I was so worried. About missing this dump, right? Missing this dump. We missed all these dumps by like $100. All this dump, remember this? This dump we missed by $100. This dump we missed by $100. This dump we missed by $100. Trying to talk about, oh, Binancio Magneto gonna get grabbed. Man, fuck that. So, so I overcompensated. And so I should have just been greedy and entered the short there instead of getting filled right here. Okay. So it's Kool-Aiding my ass. All right. So, okay, that's cool. And then my plan was short every single attempt on the line, right? And that's what we did. Shorted every single attempt, right? Got that short. We got that short. People asking me, Kimba, when are you gonna long? When are you gonna short? When are you gonna short? When are you gonna long? I said, I only want a big short here, small long here for a sweep, small long here, big long here, right? So I'm seeing this bitch Kool-Aid my ass, break the wall, 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 right? And I'm thinking, oh, fuck, I should have just waited for the Gucci spot. So, okay, let's learn and adapt. Okay, we have all these fucking POCs. All right. So I'm thinking I had all of my TPs for shorts here. I had all of my limits here. I would have been in like a 500, possibly 1,000 Bitcoin long here if we had gotten everything filled on Kraken and MEXC combined. Right? And then instead of Kool-Aiding on me, it fucking does a what? The first POC at Pixel Fucks and it just goes? What? So instead of Kool-Aiding on me, you know what they did? What's that guy from Black Panther? Yo, so instead of Kool-Aiding through all the walls, it fucking Namor me. Yeah, look, this is what the price did. Bink, bink, bink. So I'm trying to get, so it doesn't, I guess my point is I can't, you can't predict the volatile move like that, but we wanted to short here. We were waiting to long here. So far so good. So, I've been wanting to long here since here. You know what I mean? And, yeah, and like even last night, right? Even last night, I was like, if we come here, $1,000 giveaway. If we come here, $2,000 giveaway. I even tried to bribe the crypto gods to get me into a long. Yeah, so the only thing that's really surprising to me is the velocity at which it came back up here, but nothing's really changed for me. It just, you know what I'm saying? So here we are again, same thing like last time. Bearish, break it, bear div, still valid, trap. How's SPY doing? Okay, still SPY is still going. Snap dizzle for shizzle, ladies and gentlemen. Go S&P. 5 minute, ladies and gentlemen. S&P still going. S&P still got a little bit more room, ladies and gentlemen. Confluence, math, pixel fucking. Volatility, ladies and gentlemen. You guys remember when we did the target for the flag, the bull flag? Remember that? Let's go. S&P still has not gapped. Ladies and gentlemen, this is what it's all about, ladies and gentlemen. Ladies and gentlemen, today on ESPN Deportes Ocho, we've got the Liquidia Championships. I'm your host, Kimba. Today we've got the Hodana Bears versus the Laguna Bulls. Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. Liquidia Championships, playoffs. Snap, diddly, faux, shiddly, banana, fan, faux, fizzle. Here we go. How much is it? 1,300 Bitcoin. 1,800 Bitcoin. 1,600 Bitcoin. I'm calling out the name on Bookman. 1,900 Bitcoin. 1,900 Bitcoin. 1,300 Bitcoin. 1,700 Bitcoin. 1,300. 1,700. 1,400. 1,600. It's breaking. 600. 500. And we're off to Liquidia. And it's gone. The wall is broken. It's a spoofer magoofer. Snap diddly faux shilly. S&P still not at gap fill. All right. Yeah. Is it going to be a 382er or a no 382er? Do the fib. The fib is in front of you guys. Snap diddly faux shilly now. Snap diddly faux shilly now. Is it a bouncer? Is it a bouncer pouncer? S&P still has more room. This is what it's all about, ladies and gentlemen. What do you guys think? Bouncer pouncer? Come on now. Here is the test. Is it gonna bounce on the 382? What do you think? Is it gonna just diarrhea? Here we go. S&P still has not gap filled. Woo! Lick burr. Oh shit! Woo! Snap diddly. Oh snap diddly. Faux shiddly. Banana fenna faux pizzle. Oh snap. Who's getting nasty right now? Rhetorical question. We're all getting nasty. Oh! I did literally exactly what I said I would do. Kimba gang, let's go. Stay safe. I'll be back. I'm back, bitches! Oh my God, I had to physically go to the office. What's going on? Perfect timing. Golden poquito, snap diddly math. Woo! You know what though? We're gonna go lettuce. I look super good right now, by the way. I look straight out of central casting from the new James Bond movie. You feel me? You ever just go into the Tom Ford store and you say, just give me whatever James Bond wears? Pixel fuck. All right, let me go let us up real quick. 1 second. You know what I would love? Kool-Aid through that POC. They did it to me. They did it to my ass. Can we fucking just nuke through that blue line? For God's sake, just one time for me.
Moments later.
Good stuff, ladies and gentlemen. All right, let me go. I'll be right back. I have to run back in here. Hold on.
Several song-filled hours later.
Okay, 1,650. Tip, give me that tippity tap tap. Give me that tippity tap tap. 1,260 still there. 1,002, 1,002, 1,002, 1,004, 1,004, 1,000, 1,314. Did it close red? Oh, it's green on Coinbase, but you know we default to Binance. It's red on Binance. And they got through the wall. Snap diddly. as it stays, as long as this is resistance. As long as this is resistance, the most logical sort of landing spot will be here. I'm sure there's going to be golden pockets and smaller POCs and, you know, little stuff like that. And like I said, gap 235 volume support. So could it still like, and then, you know, anything is possible, like a flag, I don't know. Oh! Hey, it's my pleasure. Thank you guys, man. I had a blast. PPI, man. What the hell? SMBOS is crazy. Yes, yes, yeah. And you know, we have GDP and PCE next Thursday, next Friday. Good night, everybody. Peace, everybody. Oh, man, PPI Thursday. I'm going to sleep like a baby. All right, have a great night, everybody. Love you guys. I'll see you guys soon.